This is the basic setup for the activity with the car down below, carbon paper, and then this long pole attached to the table, and then going up to this little device up here. It's a 90-degree clamp right there, and then a piece of PVC pipe attached to a stick. And you can see that the stick is attached to the clamp, hold it in place. One of the things you'll do is you'll take a level, and you can make sure that it's level in here. When you hold it up next to this and hold it just right, the bubble should be in between the two lines. So right now it's not quite level, but I can level that off. And then for the activity, you'll be dropping a marble down here through the pipe. The marble will go down and land on the floor. You need to know exactly where it's going to land on the floor. So to do that, what we have is this carbon paper. The way the carbon paper is done, one side of it is clean, you can touch it without getting dirty. The other side is coated with carbon. This has lots of dots on it because it's been used a lot of times. The idea is that you put the paper down, dirty side down. The ball, you'll drop it, and the ball will make a mark on the other side of the paper wherever it lands. So once it hits this and bounces once, you can see right here I've got a little mark. So that's where the ball has landed on the paper. So I know that when I drop the ball, that's where it's going to land. That way I can line up my Jeep so the Jeep goes right over top of that mark. So I don't go left and right, but I aim right towards it. Now with the Jeep, it also tells me, gives me a measuring point, because I need to know when to drop the marble. So I want to drop the marble at some point so it lands here when the Jeep is right there. So I want to know when the Jeep is right here where I've got to do that. So I put this piece of tape down, and what I did was I used some kinematics equations to calculate how far away the car has to be when I drop the ball so that the ball will go into the cup. Now the cup is attached to the car just with some masking tape, and I've got some rubber bands in here, just make them kind of loose. And when the marble drops in here, the rubber bands will capture the marble and keep it from bouncing out. Now you can put this cup and rubber bands anywhere you want to on the car. You can put it on the hood or on the side or on the back, just as long as you know where it is, and you can measure the distance between there and your target point.